And welcome to this video in which I'm going to show you how to transform an SPSS file into STATA1. So the first time you are watching my video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to activate the notification bell in order not to lose my next. I have this database of health and demographic survey that I'm going to transform into STATA format in order to use analysis. Maybe SPSS is not the more appropriate software to analyze my data. Transform my data into SPSS STATA format. So you don't need to go on file. When you're on file, click on save as. So when you click on save as, you should browse in the search for the file in which you are going to record your file. Choose my desktop, then go on the section save as type, select the option data version A8SE. So then click on OK, and then click on in and click on save. And my database will be saved on my desktop as a data database. So I can go on my desktop, double click to open my new created file into a STATA format, and you can see that all my variables are present in here. I tabulate my variable, for example, the variable that is a type of place of residence. I tabulate this variable, and you can see that a different type of place of residence are present. Rural frequency and peasant are here. My SPSS database. So that's it for this video, and we hope to have help you understand how to convert a SPSS format database into STATA1.